boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a cool song here from Kendrick Lamar called Count Me Out. So it's one chord progression through the entire song, 4 chords only. So let's start. No need for any cape on this one, so we're going clean. Let's look at the chords, and we're gonna start with the E minor. That's open E, second A, second D, open G, open B. And for this specific song, I add the 3rd fret on the E there. So we have that in the song. All right, so that's the E minor. The next chord is B minor 7. So that's a bar chord. So you place a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. So 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. And then the rest will be 4th on D and 3rd on B. And then we move on to the A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the final chord, it's the C major 7. Sounds like that. It's 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. So there you have the chords. E minor, B minor 7, A minor 7, and C major 7. And yeah, the chord progression will be E minor, B minor, A minor, back to B minor, and then C major 7. All right, so that's what we're gonna play. Now we need to know how to play it. So you're gonna play 1 down on E minor, then 1 down on the B minor, and then you're gonna play for A minor, down, 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 up. So A minor, down, short pause, and then down, down, up. And then you shift to the B minor 7 and play the same. Down, 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 up. And then you shift to the C major 7 and play the same to start with. Down, 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 up. And you continue with up, down, 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 up on the C major 7. So to repeat this, E minor, 1 down. Next B minor 7, 1 down. Then on A minor 7 you play down, 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 up. And the same for the next chord, the B minor 7, down, 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 up. And then the C major 7, you start in the same way, down, 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 up, and you continue up, down, 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 up. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna take you through this slowly, 1 round first, and then in standard tempo, the 2nd round. And in standard tempo, it goes like this. Alright, a cool song to learn. Kendrick Lamar, Count Me Out. So thank you for watching, guys. Play tuned.